Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and I'm the Creative Services Coordinator here at Addison Public Library. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take your own 3D model and submit it to our website so that we can print it out for you with our 3D printer. If you don't have your own 3D model, that's okay. I actually just uploaded a video onto YouTube explaining how to use the free online 3D modeling software called Tinkercad. If you look to my left and your right, you can see an image of what I made in that video, which is a little keychain with my name on it and a drawing of a ghost that I made myself. So if you want to start to learn how to make your own 3D models, check that video out. And if you're a member of our Addison Public Library, you can come back to this video and watch how to submit that 3D file to our website so we can print it out for you. So now that I've made my own 3D object, I'm going to show you how I would submit it to the Addison Public Library's 3D printing service. So now that we've downloaded our keychain to our computer, how do we submit it to the Addison Public Library to be 3D printed? Well, let me show you. We're going to open a new tab and go to the library's website, which is www.addisonlibrary.org. Okay, and on the top, we can see the Technology tab. If we hover over that, 3D printing is near the bottom, so we'll click 3D printing, and this will take us to the 3D printing page on the library's website. Here you can see the 3D printer that we use, and I'll scroll down a bit because my head was in the way, and on the left side, we have this Request a 3D Print button. So this is what we're going to click on, and it'll bring us to the submission page. But before you submit a 3D print file, please read over the rules that we have listed on the top to make sure you understand how our 3D printing service works. We are unable to print jobs that take longer than 5 hours to be printed, and our 3D printing service does cost money. So let me scroll down a bit. You can see it costs 10 cents a gram for every 3D print request that we receive. Just like printing at the computers at the library, 3D printing also costs money just to cover the cost of the materials themselves. So we do have a few things that we need to fill out. So we have a name, email, and phone number, and this is so we know who submitted the 3D print file and how to contact them to let them know that it's ready. So I'm just gonna type my name, which is Ben Egler. My email address is egler@addisonlibrary.org. And for phone number, I'm just gonna put a fake one because it doesn't matter for this video. But when you do it, make sure you put your phone number so that we can call you when your print request is ready, okay? Okay, so now we have a few different options that we can select. We have color preference, so we do have a number of different filament colors that we can print with at the library. You can see the list here in the drop-down menu. My favorite color is green, so I'm going to click green. And now we need to choose the file that we would like to be printed. So I'll click Choose File, and then I can click on Ben's Spooky Keychain, which we downloaded just a moment ago. Okay, we can see its name right here, so that's showing us that the file's been selected. So now that we have the file selected that we would like to be 3D printed, we just have two more questions to answer before we could submit the request. So the first one, can the library scale this object to a smaller size in order to meet our 5-hour time limit? So what this is asking is if your print job takes longer than 5 hours to print, is it okay for us to make it smaller so that it can be printed within 5 hours? So this is completely for you to decide. If the object needs to be a particular size, then scaling it down probably isn't the best idea, because if it does need to be a particular size, well then if we make it smaller, it might not be useful for what you need it for anymore. But if it is okay to make it smaller, you know, if it's something that is more of like a model to sit on a shelf, then maybe it's okay to make it smaller. So let's just go ahead and click yes. And then the second question is, can the library feature this item on our website and social media? So this is again entirely up to you. For example, I'll say no, I would not like this object to be featured on the website. So then beneath both of those questions is a little field to fill out notes. So this is where you can put any information that you would like to communicate to us about your 3D print job. So maybe there's a particular setting that you would like us to use when 3D printing in our software. You can go ahead and write that down here, and we'll do our best to meet everything that you ask of us while we print your 3D request. So I don't have any particular notes, so I'm going to leave that empty. And then below that, we're just going to click I'm not a robot, because I'm most definitely not a robot. And when we're done, just click submit. And then that gets sent to the library. Thank you, your submission has been received. And we'll contact you as soon as your print job is ready and let you know how much it will cost upon picking up as well. Now, if you don't have your own 3D model and you think designing one is too advanced for your skill set right now, that's okay. There are other options out there. There's a great website called Thingiverse.com, and I'm going to leave a link for that website in the description of this video, so check that out if you're interested. But we can see the homepage of the website right here, where they're showing off a bunch of featured designs that other people have made. See, we can check out Baby Yoda right here, and Baby Yoda is just so adorable. So this website is filled with designs that other people have made and uploaded, and they're all available for download for free. So you can download any of these files and submit it through our online 3D printing service, or send it to your own 3D printer if you have one, or any third-party printing service that you might want to use. So, for example, I could type in Minecraft on the search bar, and I'm going to switch this filter to popular instead of relevant, and we can see a bunch of different designs that other people have made that are related to Minecraft. So, if I wanted to print out this creeper, for example, I would just click on the file, and up here on the top right, we can see this Download All Files button. This will download it to my computer, which we can see on the bottom left. And then that file I've downloaded, I can attach in the submission form that I just showed you how to use on the Addison Public Library website. And that's how you submit a 3D print request to the Addison Public Library. I'm excited to see what you all make and what you want to take home with you with this amazing technology. If you have any questions, or you want to talk more about 3D printing, Tinkercad, or anything related to these things, please feel free to reach out. We're here for you, and we want to help as much as we can. All right, take care. Bye, everyone.